and you are flooded uh, with a sense of insight and peace or whatever. I don't care. It's a little open ended. It doesn't. Yeah, whatever. That's fine. So this is I don't like focus or something. I don't care. New paste save as why does it keep putting me back here? Uh, journey events me mirror universe. I'll call this like focus. Uh, yeah, and then save that. Oh, oh. You know what's nice about having the epilogue as part of the outcome rather than a part of the quest is that I could have both. I could have both paths lead to the cave. Right, because like, so memories gradually fade as the dark creatures hiss and lash at you. You flee to a nearby cave with the shadow creatures licking at your heels. The cave radiates an ethereal light from deep within. The shadow creatures do not cross the threshold. Um, so I could have this path also lead to the cave. Because why not? So I could have it lead to the cave uh, so I could say like tired and bruised. Uh, you you stagger uh, towards distant light. Uh, 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 miles later. Oh, I said the cave was nearby. So stagger towards the distant light. Uh, you find yourself at the mouth I can smell of a glowing cavern cave. I don't know. Yeah, sure. Uh, Again, like I can like change this stuff as much as I want. So like my goal right now is not to really give these stories their due, but to just like just like get these stories like to make a little more contextual sense, and then I do intend to come back and like expand these and enrich these and I don't know. Right now, I like have this strong sense like, there's an insufficiency. Like there's, I'm not like writing these things for the sake of like enriching the game yet. I'm still writing these things to like get over the lack of richness that I perceive in the title at present. All right, so then both of the cave outcomes. Oh no, yeah. Okay, so both of these cave outcomes uh, will go to focus. Both of the good outcomes will go to focus. And I don't think I need like an epilogue or anything. Uh, 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 doop-a-doop. Right. So yeah, I should come up with something for the case that you're trapped in a cave in a mirror universe. Um, I mean, I could even just send that. Huh. I was gonna say I could just use the same. I could use the same one hypothetically for for the case where the cave walls fell, but it doesn't make as much sense to meditate on your current location It's actually not that bad. It actually could be a lot worse. Yeah, whatever. We're just gonna go with focus for now, because like I said, there are a few others that I really want to clean up before I come back and go too detailed with this stuff. So, oh, that sounds like great thinking, Killer Q. Oh, you said that a while ago, but whatever. Okay. Uh, so good, good then. I think that's satisfactory. And as such, I will move on to whatever's next on the list of things that need to get touched up. Why do I have so many of these windows open? I have like a million of these windows open. Oh, right, because it kept opening new windows every time it completed a build. Oh, speaking of which, I'm not making builds anymore, am I? What was the last one I made? I'm a. I'll make. Oh, Ima didn't even work. Yeah, why did it? Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I guess I did a lot of stuff to the Jam version of Ima before it even occurred to me that I should have preserved the original version. Is this something easy though? Like, is there something that I can like just toggle real quick to make it go back to normal? Maybe that'd be nice. Oh, shadows. What if I turn off shadows? Is it just because shadows were on? Is that all? Ah, there we go. Yeah, it was just because shadows were on. All right, so I'm gonna rebuild it now that I've remembered to not have that on. Yeah. All right, so man, man, seems like the event sound like doesn't play as often as it does, but whatever. Uh, I've been toying with the idea of getting rid of the audio event that happens when an event begins, but just because like it's so inconsistent. Maybe instead of maybe getting rid of it, maybe I should just find like an audio source that's more consistent and like more reliable than the one that I'm using currently. Because clearly, this one's awful for whatever reason. Um, all right, so yeah, so once again, fastest build. I'll just build over the old one. Just build here. Yeah, and good. Look at all this progress we're making. We're making progress while making progress. Okay, so if I run the script again, so hypothetically this number should be 7 and this number should be 6 now that I added 2 new events. Ah, look at that. It worked. The system works. um, so, right. Oh, yeah. So I was going to look at the list of events that still need touch up and see which ones are the worst offenders or the most out of place at this point. So, excuse me. One-offs. Ogre Cave, I feel like could use a little extra context. Because, like, it's an interesting enough idea, but yeah, I don't know. Actually, what this event really needs is more variability in the keywords. Like, I need to make up like a whole roster of like Ogre Cave words, and then it just like I don't know, it just picks some at random. I could do that if I wanted to. How would I do that though? I could just like though I have these things authored, I could go like like Grubach, like uh Moop, like uh Zwa, or I don't know. Like I could just like I could author in like synonyms basically. Maybe a little less well, no, I thought about this before, and well, yeah, last time I thought about this, I was thinking of it in a way that like it just made more sense to me to just if I wanted like some variability, I could just author different events. And maybe that is still that probably is still the case because like yeah, the goal here is to I know like at the pace I work at, like it wouldn't necessarily indicate that it wouldn't necessarily indicate it, but I oh shoot, sorry. If I'd been paying attention to them before, I would have helped out with that event, but I was not paying attention. Um, yeah, no, at the pace at the pace I'm working, it doesn't seem like I'm trying to produce these things in volume, but that's only because I don't know. This is how I work. Whatever. Uh, so, uh, yeah, I'll do Ogre Cave now, I guess. Wait, there was at least one other that I thought could use it. Boulder Bridget Crick, Boulder Bridge Cricket Race. Those are all fine. Farmstead's good enough. Festival could use something else. Uh, Ghosts could use something else, but those are also like kind of fine on their own. Like they don't need it. Oh, King Day. Uh, uh, oh, you know what never occurred to me about King Day until just now is that it says you must wear the crown for a day, but it says you to everyone, and so everyone must wear the crown for the day. I guess that's fine. You all must wear the crown for the day. You all gather really close and balance the crown on top of your heads collectively.